We are getting ready to kick off our November Merry Maxim Mystery Yarn Box event. This is a chance to win one of 5 $100 Merry Maxim gift cards in our November Mystery Box giveaway. There's no purchase necessary. For full details, make sure to visit the link in the description of this video. No need for a raffle number. We already added one entry for each mystery yarn box purchased and any order placed during November. Entry dates include October 26th through November 30th. Winners will be contacted by phone and or email by December 7th. Please see the full giveaway details. As a special bonus, we are hosting a fun make-along featuring tutorials, games, and even more prizes on our social media platforms. Use the hashtag #NovemberMysteryBox and share your unboxings or show us your progress on the Lettuce and Lace Cowl make-along for a weekly drawing of a $25 gift card. To be eligible, you must use the hashtag and tag Mary Maxim in a public post in any of the following social media channels: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. If you aren't sure that your post will be public, feel free to use our weekly WIP post in the Mary Maxim Crochet Facebook group or the Mary Maxim Knit Facebook group as an entry. All selections are quality offerings from prior catalogs with our guarantee of satisfaction. These yarn hauls may come in a mystery box or in a mystery bag, but always loaded with goodies. Each mystery yarn box sold in the month of November come with 2 balls of Mary Maxim Glimmer yarn. It's all the yarn you need to participate in the Lettuce and Lace Cowl make-along. Thank you so much for following along with our November event. We look forward to seeing all of your beautiful work. Make sure to follow us on all of our social media profiles. Happy crafting!